हाँ सर शुरू हो गया।
Welcome to a student of class 12 of SD Public School. Now I am going to teach you some problems about inverse trigonometric function. We have seen in the previous video some problem based on inverse trigonometric function. Some more problems are discussed at this time for the inverse trigonometric function. Here, first problem is given at tan inverse 1 plus x upon 1 minus x is equal to pi by 4 plus tan inverse x. We have to prove that. Now, LHS is equal to tan inverse 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. We can put the value of x as tan theta. Put x equal to tan theta. If x equal to tan theta, then the value of theta we get tan inverse x. Now, therefore, LHS becomes tan inverse 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Now we can put the value of 1 as tan pi by 4. Since tan pi by 4 equal to 1, therefore 1 equal to tan pi by 4 plus tan theta upon 1 minus 1 into tan theta is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus tan theta upon 1 minus value of 1 is also putting them tan theta, tan pi by 4 or into tan theta is equal to tan inverse. It is the pattern of tan A plus B. We know that tan A plus B equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Hence, x can be written as the formula tan A plus B. Tan A plus B means the value of A as pi by 4 plus x is equal to. Since tan inverse tan theta equal to theta means it becomes pi by 4 plus x is equal to pi by 4 plus we can put the value of it is not x, it is theta pi by 4 plus theta, and the value of theta is tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4 plus tan inverse x, which is RHS, and which is proved. Now, second problem, next problem, the given is second problem, sine inverse 2x into 1 minus x square. It is equal to 2 sine inverse x. 2 sine inverse x. We have also proved that. Now, similarly as the previous example, in the previous question, we have taken as theta tan inverse x means tan inverse x is equal means x equal to tan theta. In this problem, we can put the value of x as sin theta. If x equal to sin theta, then theta equal to sin inverse x. Hence, put x equal to sin theta. If x equal to sin theta, this implies theta equal to sin inverse x. if x equal to sine theta, this implies x square is equal to sine square theta. This implies x square is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This implies cos square theta is equal to 1 minus x square, and therefore cos theta is equal to root under 1 minus x square. Hence, the LHS can be written as, therefore LHS is equal to sine inverse 2x is 2 sine theta. Root under 1 minus x square is equal to cos theta. Hence, sine inverse means 2 sine theta into cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. It is a formula of multiple angle. We have seen in the class 11 the all formula upon the trigonometry, the multiple angle, submultiple angle, and it is according to multiple angle formula, sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. Hence, sine inverse means LHS becomes sine inverse sine 2 theta. Sine inverse sine 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. Now we can put the value of theta as sine inverse x, means 2 sine inverse x. It is RHS and it is proved. The next problem is, third problem is cos inverse 4x minus 3x. It is equal to cos inverse x, and it is also have to prove that. Now we can put as x cos theta, means the place of x we can put cos theta. Hence, put x is equal to cos theta. If x equal to cos theta, therefore theta is equal to cos inverse x, and LHS gets is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x is equal to cos inverse 4 into value of x is cos theta cube, means cos cube theta, minus 3 cos theta. We have read in the class 11 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, it is equal to cos 3 theta. It is formula of submultiple angle for cos 3 theta. Hence, cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta, and we can write simply the value of cos inverse cos 3 theta is equal to 3 theta, means 3 into the value of theta is equal to cos inverse x, and we get the RHS. 3 cos inverse x means RHS. The question is proved. Next question is given that this question number 4 equal to tan inverse x. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x by 1 plus 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. We have to prove that LHS is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse plus tan 1 minus x square. There are two terms in LHS, tan inverse x First term and second term is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. We have to read a formula as tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. Means tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse A plus B upon 1 minus A, 1 minus tan into tan B. Hence, LHS is given that tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. It is the formula tan inverse x plus 2x upon 1 minus x square upon 1 minus tan A into tan B means x into 2x by 1 minus x square. It is equal to, because since tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse A plus B upon 1 minus A into B. It is equal to tan inverse LCM of numerator equal to 1 minus x square. X is multiplied with 1 minus x square plus 2x upon LCM of denominator is also 1 minus x square, and 1 minus x square is multiplied with 1, hence 1 minus x square minus 2x square. Hence, the LHS gets tan inverse 1 into x equal to x minus x cube plus 2x upon 1 minus x square upon 1 minus x square minus 2x square is equal to minus 3x square upon 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse 3x. X plus 2x is equal to 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square can be write in the numerator, and 1 minus 3x square as denominator. 1 minus x square and 1 minus x square is cancelled. Then the value we get 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. It is RHS, and the problem is proved. The next problem is we have to prove that cot inverse 1 minus x square minus x, it is equal to pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 cot inverse x. Now, for solving the problem, we can put the value of x as cot theta. Means put x is equal to cot theta. If x equal to cot theta, therefore theta is equal to cot inverse x. Therefore, LHS gets root under 1 minus cot square theta minus cot theta. Means cot inverse, since 1 minus cot square theta is equal to cosec theta, means root under 1 minus cot square theta is equal to root under cosec square theta minus cot theta is equal to cot inverse cosec theta minus cot theta. Cot inverse cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta, and cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta is cos inverse. Its LCM is sin theta and numerator can be written as 1 minus cos theta is equal to cos inverse. The formula of 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin a square theta by 2, and sin theta can be written by 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. It is the formula of submultiple angle. Sin 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Sin theta and 1 power of sin theta can be cancelled. Therefore, the form of LHS is equal to cos inverse sin theta by 2, sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. It is equal to cos inverse tan theta by 2. We know that our tan theta by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta by 2. It is written as cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus theta by 2, and hence we can write according to formula its value is pi by 2 minus theta by 2. It is equal to pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 theta. It is equal to pi by 2 minus 1 by 2, and the value of theta is cos inverse x, and it is cos inverse x. It is RHS, and the problem is proved. The next problem is we have to prove that tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. The LHS have 3 terms: tan inverse 1, tan inverse 1 by 2, and tan inverse 1 by 3. There are 3 terms, and the formula for 3 terms are complicated. Hence, we can solve from only 2 terms, and after them we can solve the next 2 terms. The LHS is equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. Tan inverse 1, and we can solve the last 2 terms by the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, and then we can write according to formula tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. It is equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse the LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Means LCM up to 3 is equal to 6, means 3 plus 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 6. It is equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 5 by 6. The LCM is 6. 6 minus 1, it is equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 5 by 6 upon 5 by 6. It is cancelled. It is equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 1. Then we know that the value of tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4, or we can solve this problem about formula. The simple form is using tan inverse, the value of tan inverse 1, the value of tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4 plus again value of tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, hence 2 into pi by 4, and 2 and 4 is cancelled, and the result is pi by 4, sorry, pi by 2. It is RHS and the problem is proved.